Well, howdy there and welcome to my latest adventure. In this video, we'll be taking a trip to Construction Zone Bar and Restaurant in Kissimmee. So here we are. Let's go and see what the construction zone is all about. Looks quite a big place. Let's go take a closer look. Whoa, this is a pretty cool entrance. Might have to grab me some tools. Wonder if this little comfy area is for those well-earned breaks from working hard. Gosh, I almost feel like I should be working with all this equipment around. Now this looks like the perfect place to unwind after a hard day's construction. There's plenty of choices to wet your whistle. So, where are we gonna sit to get some chow? Are you serious? We can sit in our own digger to grab some food. No way, you can even hear the engine running. Now that really is awesome. We needs to obey the signs. The attention to detail here is superb. This sure is a real fun place with so many things to see. And plenty of things to give you a good old chuckle. Let's see what scrummy food we can order. What's on the menu? Now ain't this the coolest of spoons to stir my coffee? Boy, oh boy, does this food look mouth-watering. Let's see what we got. Even the servers' pens are stupendous. Oh, and I loves these. Well, we think this place is really cool and food is great. It's definitely one to come and check out for yourselves. Don't forget to check in on my next adventure to see what I've been up to.